There is a small white bulb sitting in almost every kitchen in America right now, and most people have no idea it may be doing more for their arteries than half the supplements on the market. Garlic. For thousands of years, it was used as medicine before it was ever used as flavor. Ancient Egyptian laborers were given garlic daily to keep their strength up. Greek Olympic athletes ate it before competing. And modern research is now circling back to something those ancient cultures may have already understood. Garlic appears to support the body's ability to produce nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for relaxing and widening blood vessels. But here's what almost nobody tells you: eating raw garlic is not the most effective way to get these benefits. The way garlic is prepared can completely change how it works in the body. Today, you're going to learn 5 different ways to prepare garlic, each one designed to target circulation, artery flexibility, and healthy blood flow in a different way. Stick around until the end, because recipe number 4 is the one cardiologists in Mediterranean countries have used in their own homes for generations, and almost no one in the United States knows about it. Let's get started. Recipe number 1: roasted garlic and lemon olive oil drizzle. When garlic is roasted low and slow, its allicin compound converts into other beneficial sulfur compounds that some researchers believe support blood vessel relaxation. A 2020 review published in the journal Nutrients looked at aged and cooked garlic preparations and found associations with modest improvements in blood pressure markers in adults with hypertension. Combine that with olive oil rich in polyphenols shown in Mediterranean diet studies to support endothelial function. The lining of your blood vessels and lemon, which provides vitamin C to help protect those same compounds from breaking down. Ingredients: 2 whole heads of garlic, 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, juice of half a lemon, a pinch of sea salt. Method: slice the top off each garlic head to expose the cloves. Drizzle with olive oil, wrap in foil, and roast at 400 F for 35-40 minutes until soft and golden. Let it cool slightly, then squeeze the cloves into a bowl. Mash gently, add lemon juice, a little more olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Recipe number 2: garlic ginger turmeric tea for circulation. Ginger has been studied for its potential to support healthy circulation by helping relax blood vessel walls. Turmeric contains curcumin, which numerous small clinical trials, including one published in the American Journal of Cardiology, have linked to improved endothelial function in adults over 50. When paired with garlic's sulfur compounds, this combination creates what some nutrition researchers call a vascular trio. Ingredients: 2 garlic cloves, crushed 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, sliced teaspoon turmeric powder. 2 cups water method: crush the garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. This activates the allicin enzyme reaction. Add garlic, ginger, and turmeric to water, bring to a gentle boil. Then simmer on low for 10 minutes. Strain, add honey and lemon to taste, and drink warm. Many people in this age group drink this first thing in the morning, before breakfast, when the body absorbs these compounds most efficiently. Recipe number 3: black garlic and beet salad for artery health. Black garlic is made by fermenting whole garlic bulbs over several weeks at controlled temperature and humidity. This process increases certain antioxidant compounds in some studies. Black garlic showed significantly higher antioxidant activity than raw garlic. Pair that with beets, which are naturally rich in dietary nitrates. Once consumed, these nitrates convert into nitric oxide in the body, the same molecule responsible for relaxing and widening blood vessels. A well-known study published in Hypertension Journal found that nitrate-rich beet juice reduced blood pressure within just a few hours of consumption. Together, black garlic and beets may work through 2 different pathways toward the same goal: better blood flow. Ingredients: 2 medium beets, roasted and sliced 4 or 5 cloves black garlic, slice 2 cups arugula or spinach, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar. Method: roast beets wrapped in foil at 400 F for 45 minutes. Then peel and slice once cooled. Arrange greens on a plate. Top with beets and sliced black garlic, drizzle with olive oil and balsamic, and finish with walnuts if desired. Recipe number 4, garlic hawthorn berry infused honey. Hawthorn berry has one of the longest track records in cardiovascular herbal research. A review in the Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews examined multiple clinical trials and found that hawthorn extract was associated with improved heart function markers in people with mild heart conditions when used alongside standard care. Raw honey, meanwhile, is being studied for its own mild anti-inflammatory properties, and it acts as a natural preservative for the garlic and hawthorn compounds infused into it. Ingredients: 1 cup raw, unfiltered honey, 4-5 garlic cloves, peeled and lightly crushed 2 tablespoons dried hawthorn berries. Method: place garlic and hawthorn berries into a clean glass jar. Pour honey over them until fully submerged. Seal and store at room temperature, turning the jar upside down once a day, for at least 1 week, though many people let it infuse for a full month for maximum potency. Recipe number 5, aged garlic and cayenne pepper broth. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which some research suggests may temporarily support healthy circulation by encouraging blood flow to the extremities. When paired with aged garlic that has been stored to mellow its sharpness while its beneficial sulfur compounds remain intact, this broth becomes both gentle on the stomach and rich in circulation-supportive nutrients. A study in the Journal of Nutrition specifically looked at aged garlic extract and found it was associated with improved arterial flexibility in adults over the course of a year-long trial. Ingredients: 6 cloves aged garlic, 4 cups low-sodium vegetable broth, teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon olive oil, fresh parsley for garnish. Method: warm olive oil in a pot. Add garlic, and cook gently for 2-3 minutes without browning. Add broth and cayenne pepper, simmer for 15 minutes. Garnish with fresh parsley before serving. If you found this helpful, the most important thing you can do right now is subscribe and turn on notifications, because next week we're covering the 5 warning signs of poor circulation that most people over 60 completely ignore until it's too late. Which recipe are you going to try first? Type the number in the comments below. I read every single one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.